Hello everyone, this is Janice with cricketology.blogspot.com, and today I'm making a card for the challenge over at More Than Favors. Paula and Mariah have a challenge every couple of weeks, and this week's challenge is to use the Sweethearts cartridge, which I happen to love that cartridge. So what I'm starting with is a piece of, this was an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock, cut down at 5.5, perfectly in half, scored at 4.5, and now we have a standard 5.5 by 4.25 A2 size card. And I found this in my scraps. This is from Martha Stewart stack that I always say is a birthday stack, even though it doesn't say that on the pack. I can't find the name of that stack anywhere, but it's glittery on one side and then it has a pattern on the other. I'm just going to ATG this down right to the center. Oh, I forgot something. I got this new We Are Memory Keepers corner chomper, and I'm going to use the deco to, I'm going to turn it over so I don't get adhesive in there. I'm just going to chomp all of the corners, and I usually just take all my layers, put them together, and just do them all at one time. Just to be more efficient. Efficiency is the name of the game for me. Just do these corners. And I love this one because it's got the deco and it's got the stub, which I happen to like. Ah, it didn't cut. It's brand new, so I gotta break it in. Okay, so now we're going to see how cute that is. Alright. Okay, and then I got a layer, cut out this little label from Lacy Labels, and it's cut at 3.09 height. I did this on my Gypsy, designed it on my Gypsy. And then I'm going to add this. This is a silver ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to add some tape to the back. Okay. And I'm not going to add that just yet because I've got some stamping to do, and I'm going to pop this layer up. My card has to go this way, so we'll set that aside. I'm using, for my sentiments, I'm using Kay Andrews' Amazing You stamp set, and this is a must-have. It has You Are, and it has all of these sentiments in it, so I'm using You Are, So Sweet. And so the So Sweet is going to go down here. And I'm using Tuxedo Black, Memento Tuxedo Black. Let's make sure it's nice and inky. That's going to go down here. And then for my image, I'm going to set that aside, so it's going to go there like that. For my image, I'm using the little gumball machine from Sweethearts, and I need to just put it together. These are just some gems from my gem stash. I can't seem to get rid of these gems. They are never ending. I even took them to summer camp and let the kids use them to make crowns. And yeah, brought back, it seemed like the stash didn't even they didn't make a dent in it. So, that's okay. I like them. And then we're going to add this little layer. And so, like I said, I designed this on my Gypsy, so I was able to cut out all the different cuts out of different colors of paper on scraps. And some glue. I'm going to use my liquid glue. I like this because it really flows nicely. I prefer the Tombow liquid glue to the glue pen these days. And then these little pieces I cut out of black. Normally the gumballs and all of these pieces, all these layers are one layer. So with the Gypsy it's nice because you can separate them and do them in different colors. Okay, and then the gems, you probably want to use pop dots, or glue dots, not pop dots. I'm going to use my Aleene's Tack It Over and Over glue dots. Here they are. I just made a bunch of teeny tiny, I can't see them, dots with that Aleene's Tack It Over and Over. And let it dry about 24 hours. And that does the trick. And I did it on wax paper. Please note, don't do it with, don't do it with wax paper, do it with parchment paper. It doesn't work on wax paper. Just got 7 clear gems. And that one heart one. Okay, so there's that. And then the UR is going right inside of the gumball machine at the top. I should have done it before I put the gems in there, but it worked just fine. And this is going to get popped up on here. Scooch it in there. Pop that layer up. Yeah, I'm going to pop the gumball machine. Lay this one flat. Just need some of my fun foam dimensionals. Okay, let's get that off there. That one corner is not wanting to come up. Okay, lift up the ribbon so I can get that in the center there. And that's it. Here's my card. Thanks for watching.